In this week's iTechie, we bring you a bucket load of gadgets for your adorable little darling baby and Karachi's own twittering tweeple, Tweet Up. Say that 5 times.
When your clothes are stained, you long for a full night of sleep. You sing Baba Black Sheep in the shower, and your former trophy bachelor pad now looks like a hurricane-devastated nursery. You know the Stork's delivery package has filled your life with more than just joy and felicity. If you're a parent taking care of your baby, then we have a bunch of tech solutions to make your life easier. All that coming up on Motor Skills. Sound familiar? It's the middle of the night and your baby needs a change. You grumble, you fumble, you're making your way towards the cot. You pick up a cloth and start the process. Now, after undoing the diaper, you wipe your baby to clean up its smelly mess.
Unless your cloth was warmly comfortable, you will be promptly greeted with a stream of fresh baby urine, rendering you annoyed and fully awake.
So, to prevent this undesirable state, one needs to equip themselves with the ultimate wipes warmer by seasoned baby products manufacturer Prince Lionheart. Now, this case for baby wipes keeps them warm and even helps retain moisture and prevents discoloring of the wipe. An antimicrobial additive also inhibits the growth of microorganisms that may cause odors and mildew. Thankful parents are posting grateful reviews for this product, and it's available at Amazon.com and Walmart stores for about $20.
Ever tried feeding a fussy baby? One who will make faces, spit out food and cry and laugh at the same time? Couple that with trying to stir a stew, talking on the phone, or giving instructions to the plumber. Never mind. Just imagine a regular day for parents with newborns. Our next gadget lets you feed your baby with one hand, leaving the other free for any other tasks. Attached to the back of a spoon is what the manufacturers call a bulb. The bulb is filled with delectable baby chowder such as cereal, yogurt with banana, or whatever your little one likes. When you press the bulb, food comes out in small doses onto the spoon,
so parents can feed the baby without having to juggle a plate and a spoon while making a make-believe airplane motion to amuse the little majesty.
The plates can be left in the kitchen far from breakage, and the grateful mummy can multitask. The product is called the Baby Dispensing Spoon and is made by Boone Squirt and is available at Amazon.com for $8.
Can you ever rest in peace while your beloved baby is unattended? For most parents, the answer is absolutely not. So, until the baby reaches at least their 2nd birthday, mommy and daddy will have to be on their toes. Unless, that is, they get the Bebe Sounds Portable Color Video and Sound Monitor. A portable camera can be placed in the baby's room and a receiver is kept with the parents.
So if you want to indulge yourself in a simple pleasure such as having friends over for tea, you can place the camera upstairs next to the cot and have full video and sound of the room upstairs.
Since the gadget works on batteries and AC power, it can be taken to a friend's house as well. And you can leave your baby asleep in the guest room, or, if you're lucky enough, with a volunteer babysitter with full peace of mind. The gadget costs $145 on Amazon.com, which is the same as other devices cost and only give you audio. So, enjoy the peace of mind and prevent your social life from going down the drain.
Parents of babies could be living in Pakistan, but their body clock might be set to Timbuktu Standard Time. Day and night become meaningless and it becomes harder to remember things like when the baby was fed, when did he last sleep, when was the last diaper change. etc. You get the idea.
While there are thousands of personal organizer gadgets available on the market, nothing organizes your parental life quite like this little wonder. The It's Been Baby Timer has one-touch timers that tell you when your baby needs attention.
So change your baby's nappy and press the diaper changing button. Your time will be noted and a timer will automatically start counting down to the next scheduled change. The same goes for feeding, sleeping or medication time with dedicated buttons for each. While one parent sleeps, the gadget has enough info to tell the other parent the full details of the baby's regimen. An indicator even reminds the mother from which side she last nursed the baby. It also houses a torch and it's sold at thinkgeek.com for $25. The horse stops abruptly in front of the rusty pistol. The cowboy leaps from his ride and walks through the swinging doors. As his leather boots traverse the threshold of the bar entrance, there is a deathly silence. The pianist stops playing and the tough customers put down their drinks. The cowboy takes out his rifle and takes aim. Bang! 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 Like the cheesy scene from an overused Western, the Flip HD is a camera in true Marlboro Man style. Shoot first, ask questions later. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. This innovative and brilliantly conceptualized piece of ingenious engineering does just that.
This largely single-button camera lets you take pictures and shoot video. There are no 200 million settings to contend with. Like we said earlier, all you do is aim and shoot. The operation is simple and the results are phenomenal.
Done shooting? Flip out the USB and plug it into your computer. Or use the play and rewind buttons to view your high-quality HD video. All 60 minutes of it. If you want to make things a bit complicated, it also allows you to organize your pics on the device and send them to YouTube and MySpace. The device is remarkably small, simple to use, and instead of putting a personal organizer, internet access, downloadable applications, compatibility with Microsoft Excel, and the other useless mumbo-jumbo, it sticks to its guns, and that's why we love it. It's available at selected electronic stores, but can be ordered at Amazon.com for $230.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But old adages are best understood from experience rather than guidance. The Glow E-Bear from the UK-based Glow company are one such example. According to the manufacturers, and I quote, "These cute and cuddly Glow E-Bears are not only adorable, super soft cuddly teddy bears, but also feature a glowing, gently color-changing light show. They also have an automatic shut-off after 30 minutes, making them an ideal nightlight and bedtime companion for younger children. Most babies find them horrifying and are unable to sleep after being in their midst. The unnaturally glowing animal can even give nightmares to some parents. It costs £20, or at least it did, until the manufacturers wisely discontinued the product. So sweet dreams."